Hi, this is Raj from MR Sportscars. Here I've got a 1999 996 Generation 1 GT3. It's finished in Arctic Silver. So this is the first ever GT3 series that came out, and this is a very low VIN number as well. It's number 281. And it is rumoured that these cars are even more special than some of the later 996 Gen 1 GT3s. They apparently put out a little bit more power than the quoted 355, I believe they have, from the factory. Now this is a left-hand drive car, so it was spec'd for the French market. It's actually supplied by Porsche Le Mans, which no longer exists. So that dealership closed down many years ago, but this was one of the cars that came out of that dealership. So the service book, which is all fully stamped with its French service history and also with its UK service history, states that they delivered it back in 1999. It's got the original, obviously, factory sticker. So this is a comfort or touring pack spec'd GT3, so it has the hardback sport seats, and it has the the extra lower center console, so this could be deleted, and even on this car you could take it out if you wanted to. It's got the CD player in the dash, obviously no sat nav, that wasn't an option on these cars. It's got GT3 on the handbrake, and it's got the 6-speed Getrag manual gearbox, which was strengthened over the standard 911 996 gearbox, so it's a different gearbox. And also, crucially, the engine is where you really pay for these cars and what adds the value over a standard 911. There's GT3 there. I'll just open up where all of the special, this car's covered, covered 47,405 miles. Very low mileage for 21 years old. It was spec'd with the optional red seat belts. It was also spec'd with the leather dash. It's got leather here as well. No cigarette lighter there, but it does have, obviously the 996s don't have it there, they have the cigarette lighter just here, so there's a 12-volt socket there. So as I said, it's Arctic Silver. This has just been serviced, it's just had a major service with a Porsche specialist. So you can see a brand new filter there, oil's been changed, everything's been checked over, and it's all in great condition. I'll just show you the rear lights. Badge there. So yeah, it's completely factory standard. These wheels are the BBS split rim alloy wheels, and these have been refurbished, so they're in great condition. So the split rim, so you can see all these bolts that hold the two pieces together. They're in a lovely two-tone, so this bit is like a lighter silver and this is sort of like a gunmetal-y metallic. So it does really set off the car really nicely. Just show you the sides profile there. Porsche badge there. 996 Gen 1 lights. Fabulous. They're not sort of crazed or damaged in any way. They haven't even been polished by me, so they're in fantastic original condition. I mean, given it's only covered 47,000 miles, means that it's probably been stored indoors most of its life. So these plastics react to sunlight, and clearly these haven't been exposed to enough sunlight to start reacting. Now there's the original build sticker on the original bonnet. So there's the tyre pressures as well there. It's got a Bosch battery under there. So this is it's also got all the tools under there. So interestingly, these cars, I mean, you can see this big box here. Interestingly, these European spec cars, because they were left-hand drive, they could be spec'd with a larger fuel tank, and this one was. So it's got an 89 litre fuel tank, so that means getting between places, between tracks. Say if you want to go to Spa and the Nürburgring, it'll be a lot easier, there'll be less fill-ups than if you had the 64 litre standard tank, which all UK cars have. So this car is ideally suited to being driven in Europe from the UK, because you're on the right side for the tolls and you are basically all set up to drive anywhere in Europe. Parking barriers, everything is a lot easier. Plus you've also got that genuine sort of original Porsche intended driving experience of being on the left. And with a narrow car like this, is the GT3s are based on the narrow body. It's not too much of a disadvantage on UK roads. You've got great visibility and you can still enjoy it on UK roads. It does feel like an exceptional go-kart. Absolutely incredible on the road. One of the best experiences actually is the 996 series cars, especially these GT3s. With these Metzger engines, they really take off and come alive over around 5,500 RPM. That's when they really feel just alive. And obviously down below that they are perfectly docile and they're actually very easy to drive around town. They have power steering, obviously. It has air conditioning, which all works as it should. And everything is, as I said, all original. So this is a real collector's piece, given the low mileage. The story that was spec'd by someone from Porsche Le Mans, brought over here, registered I think 3 years ago in the UK, so it's fully registered in the UK. It's got a UK V5C and it's been serviced several times over here already by Porsche specialists. In France it was mainly Porsche main dealers that serviced it, including I think there was a 111 point check and a warranty policy with Porsche OPC in France. I think it was in around 2015, so it's clearly up to standard of Porsche despite it being a 1999. So yeah, very, very nice car. Very pleased to have acquired this one, and hopefully we'll find a nice new owner for it in the UK. So yeah, if you like the car, 1999 GT3, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.